Hello mga kapatid! Oh, today we buy a silicone sealant worth 480. Then to those who don't know how to use this, there's some direction behind here. Alright, here. And also, if you don't know how to use the cooking gun here, okay, you just click here, then click this one behind, then you just pull here the trigger, alright, until the end. Then the silicone sealant you just put inside here, alright. Then after that you just click the trigger to go inside. Okay, until it will hit to the end of the, see, it's already here. Then there's this one. The purpose for this one is you put in front of this sealant, this silicone sealant. Then this one you can use the cutter or knife. Then after that you get the sharp things to put inside to poke here. Then you can do already. Alright, you see. Then if you remove also, it's the same thing. You just click here, then pull this one, pull this one. Okay, then remove. Right? Okay. Okay, again, how to insert this silicone sealant in the cooking gun here. Okay, first you just click here, this one, then you pull this, pull, then get the sealant, put inside here. Okay, then pull the trigger. Okay, enough, it's already here. Alright, after that you just get the knife, then just cut here a bit, then poke sharp things here. Alright, then you can start already. Alright, bye bye.